Well, what do we have here? It is a unmolested 1999 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 with an LS1 in it. 26,000 original miles. Been sitting in somebody's garage, I believe. This gentleman brought it by for Adam to do some upgrades to it. I think he's doing some headers, exhaust, cold air intake, and a tune. So we're gonna do the baseline real quick, find out where we're at, do the upgrades, and see what we come up with. Alright, we're back. The 1999 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 strapped back down on the dyno. And we've got the upgrades done. Got some headers, got the cold air intake, the exhaust is on. Brand new exhaust. Look at there. So we're gonna get her fired up. Adam's done the tune on it, done a little tweaking to it, done his magic. So we'll find out exactly how much power this Camaro has gained. Still can't believe this thing only got 26,000 miles on it. Beautiful car.